Have you ever walked inside a huge airport and suddenly felt lost? Maybe you were looking at your boarding pass, turning left and right, asking yourself, where is my gate? Where is check-in? Am I going the right way? It happens to all of us. Airports are like little cities full of signs, terminals, gates, and endless directions. And when you're rushing or traveling in a foreign country, even simple things like finding a restroom or your boarding gate can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, today's video will make everything easier. Welcome back to the Vibe English podcast, where we turn real travel situations into simple English conversations you can learn, repeat, and use right away. In this episode, we'll focus on one of the most common travel challenges: asking for directions inside the airport. You'll learn how to ask for your gate, your check-in counter, the security area, the shuttle bus, the restroom, the baggage drop, and much more. These dialogues are short, natural, and practical. The exact English you need when you're traveling. As you listen, imagine yourself walking through a busy airport. The sound of rolling suitcases, announcements echoing overhead, bright signs everywhere. And you, feeling confident because you know exactly how to ask for help. All right, if you're ready, let's jump straight into the 10 essential airport conversations that every traveler should know. Let's begin. Conversation 1. Where is the check-in counter? Hello. Excuse me. Could you help me?
Hi there. Sure. How can I help you today?
I'm trying to find the check-in counter for my airline.
No problem. Which airline are you flying with?
I'm flying with SkyJet Airlines.
Great. Their check-in counter is in Zone B.
Zone B? Is it far from here?
Not really. Just walk straight for about 2 minutes.
Okay. Straight ahead. And then?
You'll see a big blue sign that says Zone B. Turn left there.
Got it. Walk straight, find the blue sign, then turn left.
Exactly. You'll see the counters on your right side.
Thank you so much. I thought I was heading the wrong way.
Don't worry, the airport is huge. It's easy to get lost.
You're right. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip and enjoy your flight.
Thanks. Have a great day. Conversation 2. How do I get to gate doze?
Hello. Sorry to bother you, but I need some help.
Sure. What do you need?
I need to get to gate 12, and I'm not sure where it is.
Gate 12 is in Terminal A.
Oh no, I'm in Terminal C right now.
It's okay. You can still get there quickly.
Really? How?
Take the airport shuttle train.
Where can I catch the shuttle?
Go downstairs to Level 1.
Level 1. Should I take the escalator?
Yes. Once you get down there, you'll see signs that say shuttle train.
And the train goes to Terminal A?
Yes. Every 3 minutes.
That's great. I was afraid I would miss my flight.
You'll be fine. You still have time.
Thank you for explaining everything.
No problem. Safe travels.
Thanks. Have a wonderful day.
Conversation 3. Where is the baggage drop? Hello. Could you help me for a moment?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I'm looking for the baggage drop area.
No problem. Are you flying domestically or internationally?
Internationally. I'm going to Japan.
Great. Then your baggage drop is in Section D.
Section D. Is that far from here?
Not too far. Walk straight and follow the purple signs.
Purple signs?
Yes, the ones that say International Baggage Drop.
Oh, I see one from here.
Perfect. Once you get there, you'll find counters 31 to 40.
Should I queue first or show my passport?
You should queue first. They'll check your passport when it's your turn.
Got it. Do they weigh the luggage there too?
Yes, the staff will weigh and tag it for you.
Great. I was worried about doing something wrong.
Don't worry, it's very simple.
Thank you so much for the directions.
Glad to help. Have an amazing trip to Japan.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Conversation 4. How do I find security checkpoint? Hi. Excuse me. Could you tell me where the security checkpoint is?
Hello. Sure, I can help you.
I feel like I've been walking in circles.
That happens a lot in big airports.
So, where should I go?
Go straight down this hallway.
Okay, straight ahead.
Then, take the escalator up to the second floor.
Second floor. Got it.
You'll see a big sign that says Security Check.
Is the line usually long?
Around this time? Yes.
Oh no. I hope I won't miss my flight.
What time is your boarding?
In 45 minutes.
You'll be fine. The line moves quickly.
I hope so. I always get nervous at security.
Just relax. Remove metal items and liquids before your turn.
Thank you for the tips.
You're very welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. Have a great day. Conversation 5. Where can I find the restrooms? Hi there. Sorry to bother you.
No worries. How can I help?
Do you know where the nearest restroom is?
Yes, it's just around the corner.
Which corner?
Go straight and turn right after the coffee shop.
The coffee shop with the green logo?
Yes, that's the one.
Okay. Turn right there. And then?
You'll see the restroom sign hanging from the ceiling.
Is it clean?
Usually, yes. This terminal has good facilities.
Good to know. I've been searching for 10 minutes.
Airports can be confusing, especially when you're in a rush.
Absolutely. I'm trying to stay calm.
You're almost there. Just 2 minutes away.
Thank you so much for the help.
Anytime. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks. Take care. Conversation 6. How do I get to the airport lounge?
Hello, could you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the airport lounge.
Which lounge? There are several.
The Sky Premium Lounge.
Ah, that one is in Terminal B.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Don't worry. It's easy to get there.
How do I go?
Take the elevator behind you to the third floor.
The elevator behind me?
Yes, the silver one.
Oh, I see it now.
Once you're on the third floor, follow the gold signs.
Gold signs. Fancy.
Yes, they made it look luxurious.
Do I need my boarding pass to enter?
Yes, and maybe your membership card.
Great. Thank you so much.
Enjoy the lounge.
I will. Have a good day.
Conversation 7. Where is the currency exchange?
Hi. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. What's wrong?
I need to exchange some money.
No problem. The currency exchange is nearby.
Where exactly?
Walk past the bookstore.
Past the bookstore? Then?
Turn left, and you'll see a bright orange sign.
Orange sign, easy to find.
Yes, it stands out.
Do they accept all currencies?
Most major ones, yes.
That's good. I only have US dollars.
That's totally fine.
Thank you for showing me the way.
Happy to help.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Safe travels. Conversation 8. How can I reach the transfer desk? Hello. Could you point me to the transfer desk?
Sure. Are you transferring to another flight?
Yes, I am.
Then the transfer desk is in Zone F.
Zone F. Sounds far.
Not really. Walk straight for about 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Okay.
Then look for a pink sign that says Transfer Assistance.
Pink nice. Easy to spot.
Exactly.
Do I need to show my boarding pass again there?
Yes. They will print your next boarding pass if needed.
Perfect.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hope your connection goes smoothly.
Thanks. Have a great day. Conversation 9. Where is the information desk? Hi. Could you tell me where the information desk is?
Sure. It's actually close by.
Really? I've been looking everywhere.
Turn left at the souvenir shop.
The one with the giant teddy bear?
Yes, exactly that one.
Okay, left there. And then?
Walk straight and you'll see a big I sign.
Oh, the info icon.
Yep, that's the one.
Are they open now?
Yes, they're open 24/7.
Perfect. I'll go now.
Hope they can help you with everything you need.
I'm sure they will. Thanks.
Anytime. Have a nice day.
Conversation 10. Where is the exit?
Hello? I'm trying to find the exit. Can you help me?
Of course. It's a little tricky from here.
I knew it. I just landed and got lost immediately.
Don't worry. Go straight until you reach the escalator.
Escalator, okay.
Go down one level.
To the ground floor?
Yes. You'll see a big sign that says Exit, Taxi, Bus.
That sounds perfect.
Follow the arrows and you'll reach the exit area.
Is it crowded?
Usually, but it moves fast.
Good. I just want to get outside and breathe fresh air.
Understandable after a long flight.
Thank you so much for guiding me.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip onward.
Thanks. Have a lovely day.
And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. You've just learned 10 real-life conversations that will help you navigate any airport with confidence. Remember, asking for directions isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you're moving forward. Every question you ask brings you closer to your gate, your journey, and your destination. The next time you find yourself in a busy airport, surrounded by signs and crowds, you'll know exactly what to say. Clear English. Simple sentences. Confident communication. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who loves travel or wants to improve their English. This series doesn't stop here. In the next episode, we continue our airport English journey with even more useful conversations to prepare you for real travel moments. Thank you for learning with Vibe English today. Take care, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.